I'm Sam from Blu Sky. I'm here with Mike from Receipt Bank.
Hi.
Hiya. We're just going to talk a little bit more about Receipt Bank today. Mike, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself, about Receipt Bank, your history and Receipt Bank's history?
Sure. So for those that aren't familiar with Receipt Bank, we're a bookkeeping productivity tool, essentially. But really, our whole product suite is focused around saving time, driving efficiencies. So my job as an account manager is essentially to help accountants, bookkeepers, SMEs make the most of new technologies to drive efficiency in their firms.
Sounds good. Automation, we all love it.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell us a little bit more about the automation that Receipt Bank offers?
Absolutely. So our core is data extraction. So what we do is we automatically extract the data from receipts and invoices using AI-assisted OCR technology. So that's optical character recognition.
Okay.
So what we're doing is we extract the data so it's ready to be published into your online ledger. But beyond that, there's a load of other automation sort of functionality that means that based on, say, a particular supplier, you can set rules so that everything's coded up correctly.
But what problem does Receipt Bank solve?
So a number of problems, but primarily for the business owner, we're removing any reliance on paperwork.
So is it really as simple as just taking a photo of a receipt?
Absolutely, yeah, especially for physical documents. So all you need to do is take a photo of the receipt and it'll be submitted to Receipt Bank. If you've got digital invoices, all you need to do is forward those onto a specific email address. And we've just recently released another piece of functionality called Invoice Fetch, which will actually integrate your Receipt Bank account with suppliers online.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about how you came to be working with Xero?
Absolutely. So we are a UK-born company, but we very quickly moved out to New Zealand and Australia because that's where the market in cloud, accounting, etc. it sort of began, mainly at Xero. So when they properly came over here, what we did is partner up with them as well. So we've grown with them. We've been Xero App Partner of the Year multiple times, and now we're sort of standalone working with them as well.
So who should be using Receipt Bank?
So really any business can be. We're optimised for small and medium enterprises. That's just the way we were built, but as we grow we're sort of also expanding into the larger, more complicated firms.
What would your top tips be for someone new to Receipt Bank?
Sure, so for the SME I would say just put everything, all documents through Receipt Bank immediately as soon as you make a transaction. What that means is you're going to have a real-time view of your business and your accountants can also advise you based on that. The second thing is if you're actually doing your own bookkeeping, the key is in the setup. So it's initial time investment, but make sure you get the integration settings right with Xero.
Finally then, last question, if you could sum up Receipt Bank in a sentence, how would you do so?
Saves you time and saves you money.
Done, nailed. Thank you very much.
No worries.